The good life. The better life. It's the journey that makes us who we are, through our family and with our friends. It's the moments that we share. It's in the better way we work, the way we connect with those for whom we care. From memories we make to stories we create and what we dare to dream. It's in the better way we reset, the way we escape, and what we choose to stream. So here's to better style and trends, and better entertaining with friends. Here's to better Sunday roasts, and better birthday hosts. Here's to those who share our path, who love and care and give. Here's to those who simply choose the better way to live. Welcome to Better. Welcome to Carlisle Homes.